Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for incredibly easy, flavorful, and minimal cleanup meals, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of foil packet dinners. These are perfect for camping meals, weeknight dinners, or anytime you want a no-fuss dinner. We'll be showing you 5 fantastic foil packet recipes that you can cook in the oven or on the grill. Get ready for some delicious one-pan meals that will become your new favorites. Let's get cooking. Alright, you donkey, listen up. First up is a classic that even you lot can't mess up. Lemon herb chicken and veggies. This is a light and healthy foil dinner that's packed with flavor. You got your chicken breast, diced, broccoli florets, carrot slices, red onion sliced, lemon slices, fresh herbs, thyme, rosemary, none of that dried rubbish, olive oil, salt and pepper. Now lay out a large sheet of foil like you're building a bloody fortress for your dinner. Place the chicken and veggies in the center, nice and neat. Don't you dare overcrowd the pan. Top it with lemon slices, herbs, olive oil, salt and pepper. Now fold the foil to create a sealed packet, making sure there are no gaps for the steam to escape. We're cooking this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. You can tell it's done when it's no longer pink and the juices run clear. This is also a great grill foil meal if you're feeling adventurous. This is a very healthy and easy option for your family dinner ideas. Don't tell me you've got time for excuses. Next up, we're making a hearty sausage, potato, and pepper medley. This is a super satisfying and easy foil packet recipe that even the biggest idiot sandwich can handle. You'll need smoked sausage, sliced, and make sure it's good quality, none of that cheap stuff, potatoes diced, bell peppers sliced, onions sliced, olive oil, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. Now, lay out the foil like you're preparing for a royal feast. Combine all the ingredients in the center and for God's sake, don't be shy with the seasoning. Drizzle with olive oil, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. Seal the packet tightly, we don't want any leaks. Cook it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. You can check by poking them with a fork. This is also great on the grill if you want to give it a smoky flavor. This is a very filling and easy quick dinner recipe that will leave you satisfied. Now stop staring at me and get cooking. Chapter 3. For a touch of elegance, let's make shrimp and asparagus scampi. This cooks quickly and tastes amazing. Even you lot can't mess this up. You'll need shrimp peeled and deveined. Make sure they're fresh, you hear me? Asparagus cut into pieces. Garlic, minced butter, lemon juice, white wine, optional for those who like a bit of sophistication. Red pepper flakes, salt and pepper. Lay out the foil like you're creating a work of art. Arrange the shrimp and asparagus in the center, make it look presentable for once. Now add the garlic, butter, lemon juice, white wine if you're using it, red pepper flakes, salt and pepper. Seal the packet, making sure it's airtight. Cook in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the shrimp are pink and cooked through. Remember, overcooked shrimp are like rubber bullets. This is a very fast foil packet dinner that's perfect for a quick and impressive meal. Now stop slacking and get cooking. Chapter 4. Now for something hearty and sweet, BBQ pulled pork sweet potato packs. This is a real crowd pleaser, even if you're cooking for a bunch of Muppets. You'll need sweet potatoes sliced, pulled pork, cooked, make sure it's tender and juicy, none of that dry rubbish. BBQ sauce, use your favorite but make sure it's got a good kick. Butter, salt and pepper. Lay out the foil like you're building a nest for your dinner. Place the sweet potato slices in the center. Add butter, salt, and pepper. Now top it with the pulled pork and BBQ sauce. Don't be shy with the sauce, we want this bursting with flavor. Seal the packet, making sure it's secure. Cook in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the sweet potatoes are tender. This is a great option for a comforting and flavorful family dinner idea. Now stop drooling and get cooking. Chapter 5. Finally, for dessert, let's make apple cinnamon dessert packets. This is a simple and delicious treat that even a donkey like you can handle. You'll need apples, sliced, use a variety for different flavors and textures. Cinnamon, brown sugar, butter, oats, optional for a bit of crunch. Lay out the foil like you're wrapping a present. Place the apple slices in the center. Sprinkle with cinnamon, brown sugar, and oats if you're using them. Add a pat of butter for richness. Now seal the packet, making sure it's secure. Cook in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 190 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the apples are tender. This is a very simple and delicious dessert foil packet recipe that's perfect for any occasion. Now go on, get out of my kitchen and go make something delicious. And there you have it, 5 incredibly easy and delicious foil packet dinners that are perfect for any occasion. Whether you're camping, needing a quick dinner recipe, or just want a no-fuss meal, these oven foil meals and grill foil meals are sure to impress. Remember, you can customize these recipes with your favorite ingredients. If you enjoyed these family dinner ideas, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!